morning guys and welcome back sa ating new video.
Did you find it?
Yeah, inside the drawer. Good morning guys. Bibili kami ng ulam kasi walang ulam te. And then she's sleeping actually.
No, I just saw it.
Oh. Nakatulog yun kanina, sabi ni mama.
She went to the school.
Did you see her?
Yeah.
Let's go downstairs. Si Millie, andun kila mama. And I think magsaing. Ay, mamaya na lang. Pag-uwi. Pag-uwi na lang ako magsaing mga Mars. Actually, hindi pa ako nagsaing. Bili muna kami ng ulam. Baka pagpunta namin doon mamaya, wala nang ano. Magsaing muna ako. Dami ko kasing ginawa. Nag-edit. Nag-upload ng video. And, ano pa ba? May kanin naman dito, pero feeling ko hindi ko magkasya sa akin. Baka kulangin. Kaya magsaing na lang ako. Mamaya na lang ako magsaing after. Let's go na, malab! Mamaya na lang ako magsaing pagka-uwi kasi baka kumulo eh. Tapos wala ako dito, diba? Then maaga ako nagising kasi nga nagpa-makeup yung pinsan ko sa akin dahil may event sa kanilang school, may program. Kasi, ano siya, nursing. So, nag-cupping sila. Cupping and pinning daw, sabi niya gano'n. So, nagising ako ng maaga, alas 7. Wah, maaga pa yun, late na nga eh. Pero, usually kasi, nagising ako 8:30, gano'n. Kasi, di ba, syempre, puyat ang atin nyo. So, kailangan bawi ako ng tulog sa umaga. And si Cameron is, siya yung nagigising ng mas maaga. Well, usually naman nagising si Millie ng mga 7:30. Kanina nagising siya mga 7:30 or 8. Doon siya nagising. Pagkatapos nun is, nag-edit na ako, nag-voice over, and then nag-edit ng another video na isend ko, or draft, na kailangan kong ipasa. And then, ayun, hanggang ngayon, hindi pa ako kumain since umaga. Kaya, bibili na kami ng ulam. And, magmumotor lang kami ni Cameron. Tingnan yung eye bags ko. Oh, diba? Magsaing tayo, guys! Nakabili na kami ng ulam. And, I'll show you, after ko magsaing, kung ano yung ulam na binili ko. Sobrang init sa labas. Grabe. As in.
Is it not normal to buy 3 serves?
It's not normal. Because I just said.
You got 3 serves. You got chicken and you got the other one.
One lang.
No, just the one.
Is there a visitor? Kasi bumili si Cameron ng 3 serve na rice. And then, ang tanong ng lola ko, ang kapatid ng lola ko, andun din kasi siya sa binibilhan namin ng ulam. Sabi niya, may bisita ba? Hindi niya alam na si Cameron nang kakain sa 3 serve na ano na iyan na ulam. Usually kasi guys, bumibili na lang kami ng ulam tuwing lunchtime kasi nga, kami lang naman dalawa or minsan ako lang. And then si Cameron, minsan kapag tanghali or mga ganitong oras, hindi yan kumakain ng kanin, mostly wrap, ganon, chicken wrap. And, kaya hindi na lang ako nagluluto. So, more on, tuwing gabi na lang ako naluluto. Yung mga, dinner yun. And, ako lang naman kasi kumakain. So, bumibili lang ako ng ulam, mga mari, sa tindahan. Parang ganun lang din naman eh. Kasi, kung magluluto pa ako, ganun. And then, punta ng palengke, parang nakakapagod, parang hassle na ba? More on mga tao dito bumibili na ng ulam, kahit yung mga tita ko bumibili na lang sila ng ulam kasi kung iisipin mo mag-e-effort ka pa, ganun.
I'm gonna buy ulam now, it needs to be curry. Or what's that one? Pork balls or something?
Yeah. Kung kakain siya ng kanin, mga Mars, kung makain siya ng kanin, curry, yung ulam, ganun, chicken curry.
I like the soup, but I prefer the meat.
Ayun niya kasi yung mga sabaw-sabaw na ito niya yung mga chicken curry. Ganon. So, magsaing muna ako. And then, mabilis lang naman ito. Like, siguro 10 minutes. What do you think? 10 minutes?
Enough.
This one? Or 5 minutes?
Cook the rice?
Yeah.
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
That's why we don't use rice cooker, because it's just quicker to...
Yeah.
It's quicker in the pan.
Kasi ang rice cooker, sobrang tagal.
It takes like 30 minutes.
Yeah. Tapos ito, sobrang bilis lang. 10 minutes lang, tapos na. Or minsan, 5 minutes. Ulam for today is bumili kami ng saging. And then, bumili ako ng yung gulay, yung ano tawag dito, pinakbet. Tapos, fried chicken. Ayan. Fried chicken to. And then, ito kay Cameron, yung curry niya. So, let's...
Wait for the rice.
Is this mine? Yours.
This is mine. Chicken.
What is this then?
That's yours. You bought...
No, I only get one.
No, I got a bowl, and then you got a bowl as well.
Yeah, why did you get a bowl?
This is for my bones.
Oh.
I'm gonna put it.
Guess what?
Fried chicken. Fried pork.
Guess what?
Chicken.
Guess what it is?
Fried chicken.
Guess what it is?
Banana ketchup. Did you buy a new one?
This is, it's already here. You want lumpia? You want lumpia? Luto tayo ng ano guys, cheese lumpia. Meron akong cheese lumpia dito sa ref.
So if this is bad, that's bad, isn't it? It's the same thing, but that one's rolled up.
Lutuin natin itong lahat na lang. Cheese yung laman nito. Kumukulo na yung ating kanin. Sakit ng kifi ko guys kasi meron ako.
Kifi?
My kifi is hurt. Ayan, so maglagay tayo ng konting mantika lang. As if naman hindi niyo alam kung paano magluto ng lumpia, no? For sure, alam niyo naman na niya yan. Alam niyo na yan. Kailangan ko pa bang sabihin? Diba?
Diba?
Pero wag niyo kong gayahin. Dahil hindi ko pa dahil hindi pa mainit ang mantika, ilagay ko na agad. Diba?
Diba?
It looks like a croissant.
Back again. Baby's back.
Back again.
Baby's back.
Baby's back. Baby's back. Baby's back. Baby's back. Baby's back. Na 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 na.
Really?
Love, love.
No, you stay there. Nope.
What are you gonna say to mommy? Thanks, mom.
You should half it.
Half it, my love. Can you half it? Don't show it to Maverick. Kainin na naman niya yan. Si agaw-agaw pa naman yan. Tell mommy what happened. Maverick, eat your food. Love. Maverick, eat your food, love, love. Millie.
I think next week the front teeth will already come out.
Ay, may ipin na pala siya, guys. Sa taas. Well, congratulations! Kaya yun yung ano niya last time.
What is that?
That's you know, when she's getting sick, you know, ill.
Her teeth?
Yeah, because of her teeth.
Really?
Cough. Yeah.
She has 4 teeth now.
4 teeth. 2
That's what
cells.
teething does, no?
It makes you, you know, ill. It depends on the baby. Sometimes.
So like the rest of them.
Yeah, also. Sometimes they do, you know, diarrhea. It's part of teething. Ito, inaagaw naman yung pagkain ni Millie. Ay, nako. Guys, okay na kung kanin natin. Pwede na to. Maverick?
I thought we didn't look.
We're looking at you. We see you. Don't dare. Akala niya siguro hindi kami na... Yeah, you eat your food. Not Millie's food.
He's pretending to eat his food. Look.
Kain na tayo guys for today's video. Meron na pala akong pinggan dito. Kumuha. Meron tayo dito ang banana ketchup. My favorite. Every single day.
Oh, I can't. Graphic's following it.
Come on, Millie. You stay here.
See it? We've got loads of babies.
Huh? It's hard. Can you do it?
Just do the little.
Don't go there. Maverick gonna eat your food. Because it's guys. Malamig kasi kaya yun. Okay, that's enough. Diyan ka na naman kay Maverick. No, Maverick, ha? Don't eat Millie's food. Kain tayo, guys. Kain muna tayo. Sabi ko kay Mamang, dalhin na lang niya muna si Millie dito para makakain siya ng lunch. Kain na lang muna. Kain naman na.
Maverick, can you eat now? Daddy! Daddy! Daddy!
Lumpia.
Where you go? Show Daddy what you got.
What you got? It's Mommy's makeup.
Is that Mommy? Is that a picture of Mommy?
That's Mommy's makeup. You like makeup?
Yeah.
Sobrang daldal na niya talaga, guys. As in, she's really talkative, isn't it? During morning, she's more talaga. Pero pag sa labas, hindi siya madaldal. Pero pag sa amin, madaldal siya, super. Sa ibang tao, sa ibang tao hindi siya madaldal. Pero pag sa amin, like sa amin nila Mamang, sa amin nila Cameron. Diba? Lagi niyang sinasabi, daddy. Minsan daddy.
Mama. Can you say mama? No. Only daddy. Dada? Mama.
Can you say mama? Mommy. Mommy. Mommy.
Daddy.
Mommy.
Daddy.
Daddy talaga. Mommy.
Mommy or daddy? I know what she's trying to say.
Pagwalis ka na dyan. Doon, walisan mo yan. Sige na. Kunaw. Hala. Matusok mata mo, ha? You gonna poke your eyes. Tawa-tawa ka dyan, ha? Someone is a model baby now.
Look at the dresses.
Yan.
Excited
Nagmana
for
sa
your dress?
nanay ah. Are you a model now? Ay, bless you. Ay, bless you.
Clean your face first.
So, nase-set up na ako dito guys ng tawag na ito. Nag-set up na ako dito ng, you know, pagbibidyohan namin ni Millie. Dalawa kasi kami.
I'm trying to climb on it.
I-set up natin to guys. Mababa kasi yung ano yung tripod.
Need video on.
It's okay.
Be good girl for video. Be good girl.
Go to look at daddy.
Really? Really?
Wait lang, wait lang.
Right, come on. She's been 3 seconds.
Look, daddy.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Hi. Say hi. Bye-bye guys.
Bye-bye.
Look, look, look. So, nilagyan ko guys ng ring light kasi nga madilim. Para malaliwanag ang buhay. And maganda yung lighting ng ng picture. Nabisa na natin si Millie sa first outfit niya. Lagyan natin siya ng headband na ganito mga Mars. Hi guys!
Hello guys!
Say hi to the guys!
Yay!
Welcome back to Mommy's channel! Let's go!
Wow! Millie for me! Millie for me! Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Look at daddy up!
Peekaboo! 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 Peekaboo!
Look, look, daddy! Look, daddy! Where's the cat? Do they say peekaboo?
Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Ay, ang hirap maging model. Pero in fairness din ha, sobrang ano lang din ni Millie. Hindi siya mahirap itawag nito. Hindi siya ngayon nagmumurit kasi nasa ano pa siya, nasa wisyo pa siya.
Ready?
Hi! Bye-bye to! Bye-bye!
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 Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Ang tato ayun! Behind the scene. Lakas pa kayo bayo. Look! Millie! Look, mamang! Bro, lain ko pala Millie. Papa! 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 Papa!
Mili! Bumbum!
Stand. Last but not the least, guys. Isa na lang talaga.
Mili! Hello! Peekaboo! Mili! Ala! Upakiyot. Mili! Hello!
Nakakapawis ng kilikili, guys. Maging artista. Ginalkas mong baita na lang, ano? Ano yung mga una?